In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an estimate in QuickBooks Online. Estimates are a great way to outline costs for your customer before any work begins, and QuickBooks makes the process quick and professional. Start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. At the top left, click New, then choose Estimate. This opens a clean form where you'll build the estimate. At the top, select the customer. Make sure their billing and shipping details are correct so everything appears properly on the document. If you need to show or hide fields, look to the panel on the right. Use that panel to add or remove fields you want to display, such as a shipping address, a purchase order number, or a memo. This helps tailor the estimate to exactly what your customer needs to see. While you're in the right-hand panel, you can also enable the discount option if you offer one. Once that field is visible, enter either a percentage or a flat amount and check that your subtotal and total update accurately. This is also where you can adjust the design of the estimate to match your brand. Choose a template style, tweak the accent color, add your logo if it isn't already there, and adjust the font size or alignment. A polished design makes your estimate look more credible and easier to read. Next, start adding the products and services. In the line Items, select the items you're quoting, then fill in the description, quantity, and rate. If you charge tax on some items, apply the appropriate tax setting on each line so the total calculates correctly. Keep descriptions clear and specific to avoid misunderstandings, and double-check that quantities and prices match what you discussed with the customer. As you build the estimate, watch the subtotal, discounts, taxes, and total at the bottom to make sure everything looks right. Take a moment to review the customer information one more time and confirm any due dates or validity periods you included in your fields. When you're satisfied, click Review and Send. You'll see a preview of exactly what the customer will receive. Add a concise message that summarizes the estimate and sets expectations, such as timelines or what's included, and confirm the recipient details. When you're ready, send the estimate. QuickBooks will track its status so you know when it's been viewed, and that's all. You've created a clear, branded estimate in QuickBooks Online, customized the fields and design, added your products and services, applied any discounts, and sent it for review. Thanks for watching, and follow along with these steps whenever you need to create a new estimate quickly and confidently.